Hello, this is your fitness coach Carl, and today we're going to do 4 stretches on the Swiss ball. These are perfect moves after you've been sitting either in the car or at your desk all day. So let's go ahead and get moving and get feeling better. We can start off by turning sideways, and I'm going to sit up nice and tall on my ball and roll out till my low back is on the ball. So this is the position I would be in to do a crunch, but I'm going to reach my head back and my hands up overhead here. So I'm just feeling myself fold over the ball, just opening up my rib cage. I feel a nice big stretch through my abdominals, through my armpits. Now if you're feeling confident here, you can extend your legs and really reach out. Now if this means that you're gripping really hard with your feet, that's going to be too much, so just go ahead and bring them back in and bend a little bit. We're really working on opening up the rib cage here. Anything that happens at the lower body is like an added bonus. All right, let's bring the hands down, start to curl the spine up. Now our next position we're going to do from the side. It's very similar. We're just going to go side over the top. So this is our lateral flexion. So my back foot is my top foot here, and that's going to help me open up my hip joint and my rib cage. All right, so I'm really feeling that stretch through my flank and also through my armpit. Nice big stretch, relaxing. And then we'll switch sides. And I'm just going to roll over so you can see what that looks like from back here. So again, my top foot is my back foot, and I reach my hand up and over. Now I can play with this position. I can play with my back foot position, move that over. I can rotate my chest a little bit more, but find where you feel the best stretch down the outside of your body. All right, let's come back up, and this time we're going to stand all the way up behind your ball. So this is going to be sort of a variation of a downward facing dog. You're going to place your hands down on the ball, flatten your back, and you're going to push the ball forward as you push your butt back. You want to feel a nice big stretch in your hamstrings, and I'm also going to get a little stretch through my lats here. So I'm reaching my butt back, reaching my hands forward. And you can kind of wiggle back and forth here a little bit to increase your stretch. Now our next one is going to look fairly similar. So let's come on up, and we're going to place our knees down on the floor, and we're going to sit back into our child's pose. So arms are going to go overhead again, and head comes down. Now I'm sitting way back on my feet. You might not have that much mobility. You may find that you're up here. That's just fine. Don't worry about that. Just stretch where you are today. So those are 4 simple stretches that you can do in just a couple minutes using your Swiss ball.